Hi teachers, this is Carly Vaughn and I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial to show you how to get those reports in order to view the results from the assessment your students took yesterday. So right now I have Mr. Madigan's class pulled up. Just to show you, you're going to click over here on the left and go to Assessments and View Assessments. Now the next thing you're going to do is find the name of the assessment that you took. It should be one of the first ones listed here. If it's not, you can always search for it there. So I'm just going to click on the name of the assessment. And when I do that, I get a quick overview of what happened. I can see that 2 students were assessed. I can see that 100% have not mastered it. There's a few other things you can see from here. But one of the things that I think you'll find most helpful is a specific report. So I'm going to click on Reports. And then I want to use that matrix report. And it's not always at the top, so you might have to scroll down a little bit. So I'm going to click on that matrix report. And then right here, just in the assessment list, make sure that the assessment that you gave is the one that's listed. You also want to make sure that you change how the questions are grouped. You probably want to do it by standard. And then the last thing is up here for enrollment date, you want to go to custom. By default, it looks like it's pulling up today's date, but most of your students took the assessment yesterday. So if you just want to be safe, I chose June 9th. Okay. Now, when I click View in Browser, I should be able to get that PDF report. All right, report is finished. And now I can scroll down. And I don't want to scroll too far because I don't want to reveal any of that student data. But you can see that it's pulling up. You can see that it's color-coded based on that mastery band. And it is, again, grouped by standard. So, again, I'm not scrolling down all the way because I don't want you to see the specific student data. But know that that is one of the most helpful reports that you can use. And if you have any questions on how to access it, feel free to reach out. Thanks.